Yo, what's up guys, my name is Daniel, welcome back on this channel. Today we're going to do what might it be, a Bitcoin analysis video, right? First of all, sorry for not uploading for a little bit above a week, I think. Yeah, you can see it yourself on the chart, we really don't have anything happening. Yes, we have some little swings to the up and to the downside here. Last video was a little bit over a week ago, so somewhere here. And yeah, the range has still continued from there on, and we are right now at the upper area of this range here, seeing a small little rejection here. And without further talking, let's jump straight into the analysis for today. So like I said, let's zoom in a little bit. So yeah, we basically have been building higher lows after higher lows after higher lows. Last weekend we were around here. We had seen this upwards move from a higher low here. I was also long at that point. From there on, we have seen a move to the upside, which ended just around the golden pocket area here. First, we had this SR flip. Locally here, this support flipped into resistance, but I don't really like to trade these because these very often will get taken out in the future again. Exactly what happened right here. So we went a little bit above, then had a quick dump to the downside, which ended right also in the golden pocket as support, building another higher low. In my opinion, this move down here with the wick and then the quick move up again, this would get filled pretty quick. This would get filled sooner or later. So we then had this last wick to the upside here into the 6-6, and from there we have seen a little consolidation coming back down to these lows, but this time forming another higher low. And this is then where the pump we have seen yesterday started. So yesterday I was bullish. I expected this here to get taken out. I was short from up there, but I also shorted down here. Yes, I also still have sometimes FOMO, and my emotions still play a huge role, but I'm trying to control them as good as possible. But of course, I'm not able to manage them 100% every time. So yeah, I was short from down here and from up there. And once price got to these lower levels, I closed both short. So yeah, basically made a little bit of profit there. Then I switched long. Then I saw this rejection here again. Thought, okay, maybe we are going to see these lower highs here continue, and then we are now going to drop. Obviously that didn't happen. Yeah, and then I thought it would drop, so I closed the long again, opened a short, but then it didn't drop, formed another higher low here, and then I saw the momentum slowly picking up towards the upside, and then I closed the short again and opened a long. So for this profitable long I had during yesterday's pump, I needed 3 tries to enter the trade. First long, then short, then a long again. But that's okay, I still made money on that. And then we have seen this crazy and also very fast pump to the upside here, which ended a little bit higher. This let's pull up this 786 here. Yeah, even higher. We took out this local high here, retested this high, but the overall high is still not taken. And yeah, this is where we are right now. During the night, we have seen a little decrease here in price again. And now the question is, how will we continue from here? So we have just basically seen another rotation from the lows to the highs of the range. And now the question is, are we going to put in even more higher lows here and then break out to the upside? That could be possible. Or was this whole move here yesterday just a fake out, and now we are going here to drop back down to the downside, and maybe fill all of this liquidity from these lows here, where probably a lot of people have their stop losses from their longs, and this could just be another liquidity grab, and then maybe we will push up higher from there, or it might just go down even more. That's also possible. So let's take a more detailed look at this range we are having here and at the possible levels that we should have on our charts. So besides the resistance levels from the top to the bottom, that I have already showed you, of course we can also do the same for the support levels. And here we can see the 618 is a little bit lower, and the 382 is already kind of, yeah, price went through that a little bit, so that's okay. And then let's take a look at the fixed range levels, because I really like to trade from these and I always have them on the chart. So the point of control is down there. Very interestingly, this quick dump to the downside ended here perfectly on the point of control, and yesterday with the other retracement we came close to the point of control but didn't touch it. Then price broke above yesterday, and right now we have also seen a small backtest of the value area high, which was previous resistance here. We can also do the same for this smaller range, starting from there. Okay, point of control is a little bit lower. Let's take this, and then let's also pull another fib from this overlow from of this range here to the top, and here we can see the 618 is coming in together with this point of control. Let's take a quick look at where the 382 is. 382 is around this upper area here, where the value area high of this big range is. And we can probably even pull another fixed range for this local range here. Alright, here we can see the point of control is basically right on the value area high. So basically this area here is our next support area, and a little bit lower, I would say, here is then the bigger support, where we also have, like I said, all of these lows here that could potentially be taken out. To the upside, I would say we are here in between the 786 and 66, so not very clear. We have these prior highs here. That could, of course, if this local range here is holding, where we could, by the way, also pull a fixed range. Okay, so the point of control is a little bit higher. At the moment, price is trying to break a little bit below this SR level that we are on here, that we have here. So if price manages to kind of hold here, go back up, then we have the potential to retest these higher levels, where we have also the fib resistance. So yeah, I would say that this here is kind of a very small and not so clear support area, and then of course this whole box up there is resistance. Never mind, this box here is now green, but you know, it's above price, so this is just resistance. Okay, so if price manages to get back above during the day, we have the potential to come back up to around 35.7k and retest these areas. At the moment it does look a bit more bearish, and a bit more likely that price actually trying to come down back here into this area, but here we have to be really careful, because this pump we have seen yesterday was very quick, and so not much support was built down there. And if the price gets lost a little bit here, it could really easily happen that price is not finding any support here, and we just go back down really quickly to the next bigger support area, which is right here between 34.4 and 34k. So that's the next biggest support for me. Yeah, this would then be basically the same like we have seen here during prior week, where we first had an very quick pump to the upside. This has taken out this range high here on the Bybit chart, and then price consolidated a bit and dropped back down again, ultimately just forming another higher low. But yeah, we basically retraced all of this. In my opinion, the same could happen here, because this looks very similar. We have taken out these highs here. We had some liquidity right here at above 35.5k. We had some liquidity there, took this out, are having a little consolidation now, and now price is trying to break down. So summary for today, in my opinion, a little bit more likely scenario is that price is actually trying to come down here and retrace this impulsive move we have seen yesterday. But in my opinion, if this happens, I would definitely not trade it up again from another high low, because in my opinion, this range here is very close to breaking out. And yeah, we have seen another rotation to the upside. It could of course still be that we take out those range highs here once again and then drop back down. This could be possible, but at the moment this doesn't look like the most probable scenario. And in my opinion, the best scenario would be to actually come down here and yeah, take out all of these lows here, the huge liquidity we have acquired there. And yeah, from there on, it could be that this is just another rotation to the downside and then we move back up again, or this range just completely breaks down to the downside. If these lows here, won't hold, yes, then in my opinion, we will fill all of this quick move we have seen here to 35k, the breakout. And for me then, the next levels I would look for are only the 30k area, 29k area, something like this. And once price gets there, we will take a further look at the price action, how it behaves, and whether we could take a long from there or if it wants to drop lower. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for today. Thank you guys all for watching. If you are interested in my Discord group, feel free to join. Link is in the description, it's completely free. I'm not sitting there posting all day every day in the Discord group, because I also still have other things to do in my free time. But if something important changes or my bias changes, I will definitely update you. So feel free to join. Thank you guys all for watching and see you next time. Bye.